Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you for our week 12 assignment in modules, April 22nd to the 28th, Flash Fiction 2. And let's click on this handy link I have in home, which will bring us into modules into week 12. So let's survey our assignment and find out what we have here. Let me make it a little bit bigger so we can see it. So we are in Flash Fiction 2, 120 points. We have a quote from Stephen King. If you intend to write as truthfully as you can, your days as a member of polite society are numbered. Stephen King. Okay, do you agree or disagree? Does truth mix well with society? You decide. Okay, so scrolling down and surveying this assignment, we have 6 links here. We have the timeline, we have requirements, discussion rubric, an overview of flash fiction, and some great flash fiction stories from former writers I had in this class and whom I published, Carissa Alva and Tiffany Tang, that you'll want to click on. Going down, we can see we also have a part 1 and a part 2. So part 1 is 100 points. Post your own original flash fiction story or scene from a play or screenplay or poem. And part 2, 20 points. Respond meaningfully to 2 of your peers' works in a minimum of 125 words, a half page, for a total of 250 words, 1 page. Demonstrate that you've paid attention to what your peers write and offer constructive feedback, thoughtful, kind criticism aimed at helping your peers to develop and improve their writing ability. So I am going to scroll up and click on the timeline. So our timeline for this assignment, post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. And if you have trouble meeting this timeline, please email me here in inbox. Tell me what's up and I'll try to work with you. Okay, I'm clicking on the back arrow, taking us back into the assignment. I'm going to ask you to click on the requirements and the discussion rubric on your own. Here is the overview of flash fiction, what it is if you need it. And please click on Carissa Alva's flash fiction, which I have here, and have published in West Magazine, which is now the Public Intellectual, my little literary magazine. And consider clicking on Tiffany Tang's work too, which I find very innovative. And you have other flash fiction stories here from students, and they're all very good. Okay, so I am back in our assignment. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox.